how experienced is the person making strategic decisions on my account? This is also a question that comes up when it comes down to typical questions that people are not asking when it comes down to usually sales calls or lead calls. It's really important that you understand that if you're a brand owner and if you're on a call with someone who is just sharing whatever their business can do for them and all the services and so on, it's really important that you understand that that person is not going to manage the account. Probably that is one of the people who is either the founder, but also it can be a salesperson. So they are really good, really knowledgeable in the product, in this case the service itself, and they're going to make sure that all the questions that you're asking are being answered and tailored to whatever your needs are actually. Now, when it comes down to how experienced is the person making strategic decisions on my account, here it really depends on who is going to be Amazon PPC strategist within the team. On our team, I am a PPC strategist, right? I also have team members who are knowledgeable enough and who are just like bringing wealth of information. Some of them are PPC strategists, others are not. Others are just, hey, I'm optimizing, or other responsibilities are, I'm just optimizing things. You want a strategist to handle your account. So instead of asking this question, maybe a better question would be to ask is, who's going to handle my account and what is their knowledge level? And then what is your day-to-day operations when it comes down to, hey, am I going to directly communicate with the person who's handling my account? Am I going to communicate with the project coordinator, such as in our case? Who is my go-to person? Because that is going to help you define, in case that you're already knowledgeable and you have questions, specific questions regarding strategy. When it comes down to PPC, the people who are managing the account on that level, they can answer.